Good morning, Dot Tone Dan here. Here's another example. I posted a video like this before, but here's another example of using the rubber stamp tool on all your separations to clean up an element. So here you can see these windows. Actually, when making them, I created some kind of a mask and was making those solid gray. But as you can see, it's now on every separation that has that color affected. So I want to make an adjustment on all the separations. So what I'm doing is holding down the shift key, clicking on every channel, and now I'm going to use the rubber stamp tool. So let me pull up my Photoshop. There it is. Pull that down. And I want to change this to a tight brush. I'll go to this one, and then I can increase or decrease the size as I go along. But now I want to hold down the Option key, and you see how it changes my little icon, my brush size icon. I have this chosen to affect all layers, not just the current layer. And as you can see, I can click to identify my angle, and then I can duplicate that. So I'm referencing that point, starting here and coloring over it. And you see as you get smaller, you get to the edge, because this has got a slight little blur on it, a soft edge brush. And that's why it creates that there. But I can zoom in on it and go back to my rubber stamp tool, decrease the brush size, click my new reference point, and come up and just paint that over. And that will never be seen in print. Increase the brush size again. Going back to the rubber stamp tool, click anywhere, reference in, and that'll clean that up. And if you wanted to get really tight, you can make it look a little sharp right there. And that's it. As you see, that affected all of my separations. And without having to go down to each one and edit and clean it up or start over again on the separations in this area, rubber stamp tool works fantastic for cleaning up little errors. That's it. Have a good day.